So Lodi is a Mediterranean climate, has a Mediterranean climate like the south of France. So actually, we've done studies on temperature. It's about the same temperature year-round here as it is in the south of France. So Lodi is a great growing region for all things, really. So we not only have 110,000 acres of wine grapes here, we have orchards of cherries and walnuts and almonds and apples. So there's a lot of fresh produce here. Lodi, with its 110,000 acres of wine grapes, actually has more grapes than Washington and Oregon combined. Most people don't realize how large of a wine region Lodi is, and the fact that we've had grapes here since the 1800s. As a matter of fact, talking about French grape varietals, Lodi has the oldest cinsault plantings in the world, older than in France. And a lot of that is because France had issues with disease early on with their vines. And so you have this great community of, fifth and sixth generation farming families that have grown up in the industry. And it's just recent that the Lodians have decided to make their own wine. They've been growing it for the large wineries for years.